Hi, Paul Feuerstein, the technology editor of Dentistry Today. And this month I have a column about something I did last month. I went to the Chicago Midwinter Meeting, and it is probably the premier dental meeting in dentistry. I want to say that the new products are launched at this meeting. The companies wait until Chicago. Sometimes there's a pre-launch in New York or Yankee, but this is where everything happens. And certainly there were a lot of new products in my realm. Intraoral scanners, intraoral impression scanners, of course. And there were some brand new ones, and there was also some updates on some of the existing ones. Pretty amazing stuff that's going on. It's changed. It's one of these things where if you haven't looked at the intraoral scanners in 6 months, you better take another look now. It's changed completely. There were an array of new mills. There were a lot of new 3D printers, and a lot of new ideas on how to do a one-visit dentistry process in your office, and it's not so complicated anymore. It looks pretty easy, and there's a lot of competition now. So I'm trying to give you a little bit of a taste of what went on at that meeting. So take a look at the column, and I think you'll be interested to see where things are going. And as a teaser, I actually will be getting back shortly from the International Dental Show, the IDS show in Cologne, Germany, which is the international showcase of new products. But you'll have to hold on for a couple of months before I can report on that one. So take a look at the column, and as always, if you have any questions, give me a call or give me an email at drpaul@toothfairy.com. You can always reach me through the magazine anytime you want, and it's pretty mind-boggling.